the photography plan, we have the learning outcome. So number one, we're going to look at demonstrate the steps in photography plan. Then number two, we're going to look at the equipment needed when shooting. Yes. Then we have to set the camera angles. So before we continue, is there anyone who can remind us what we learned in our previous session? Mahmoud, can you remind us what we learned in our previous session?
You are looking at photography. Yes, the things you need to shoot.
Very correct. So in our today's session, we're going to look at the photography plan. We need to plan before we do shooting. So I want us to go through the steps. So here we have our chart. So I want us to see here. So we have stages. So stage number one, you have to have the purpose of the goal. That is stage number one. So the task that you do there, you have to define the purpose. Then the details will be the event, product, and the portrait. For example, if it is wedding, that is the event that we are going to cover. So you need to have that one. Then you have the time, you need to give yourself the time frame. So the time frame will be 1 to 2 days before the shooting. Then you need to have the equipment needed. So the equipment needed, you need to have the notebook and the pen so that you can see or know things you require during the time of shooting. Then from there, we go to stage number two, where it is pre-shoot. So with the pre-shoot, the task that you do there, you'll have to scout when you go to the location where shooting will take place. Then the details, you have to check lightings, space, and the background. So you must make sure that the light, the space, and the background is very clear for your shooting. Then the time frame will be between 1 to 3 days before the actual shooting. Then the equipment that you need at pre-shoot stage, you need to have the camera, phone for taking notes. Then we go to the actual day of shooting. So that is stage number three. So at the stage number three, the task, you have to arrive earlier. So you have to arrive earlier to the event so that you capture everything that will be happening in the event. So the details that you need to set up equipment and test the shot. So you have to set up the venue very well. Then you try to take some shots so that you can see if it is clear. Then the time frame, that's shooting. So that day, you take your time to do shooting. Then equipment needed, you need to have a phone, gear. Then the last one, you have to do post shooting. So the post shooting, you have to transfer those file or footage. Then the details, you have to copy to the computer. Then you have the time frame to be the same day. Then the equipment that you need to have a laptop, external drive, so that you can have that software for editing. So those are the steps that you need. So step number one, we have said you need to have brainstorm. Then from there you have to pre-shoot, then shoot, then post shoot. Then from there, the equipment needed. So with the steps, we have said step number one, Mahmoud,
is brainstorm.
So you have to brainstorm or come up with an idea. Then number two, so number two, you have to pre-shoot it. So the next step is to pre-shoot. Then number three, shooting. Yeah, get the actual shooting. Then number four,
Post shoot.
yeah, we have post shoot. So you need to follow these the learning outcome number 2, which is the equipment needed when shooting. Equipments. Jean, is there any equipment that you need when shooting?
I will need a notebook.
Yeah, so you need a notebook to take short notes. So you need to have the notebook.
Camera.
Yeah, you need to have a camera.
Pen.
You need a pen.
Foot gear.
Like. Yes, Joe? Yeah. So those are the equipments that we need. We have so many. Then we have to take the third objective is to set the camera angles. So which camera angles will you use when taking shots during a wedding? Camera angles that you use. Any camera angles that you know?
Long.
So you have the long shot. Which other camera angle do you know? Yeah, we have the wide shot.
Close-up.
Yeah, we have the close-up. Yeah, then we have the extreme. Yeah, we have the extreme close-up.
Extreme long shot.
Yeah, we have the extreme shot. So to sum up our session today, we have learned the photography, plan, and the stream. So step number 1, you have to brainstorm or come up with an idea. Then step number 2, we shoot, then the actual shooting, then post shooting. Then we go to the equipments needed where we have the notebook, camera, pen. Then we have the camera angles where we have the long shot, wide shot, we have the close-up, extreme, close-up. So that is what we have learned today. And in our next session, I would like you to do more research on the events